Thank you again, everybody. You are dismissed.
Good morning, SK. I'm Sierra Tuckness, and welcome back to WTV. Man, I really miss our pep assemblies. Now, to kick us off, seniors. Cap and gown pickup will be April 14th from 11 to 2 in the north parking lot, and will be broken up by last name. A through I will be from 11 to 12, J through R from 12 to 1, and S through Z from 1 to 2. Also, if you have completed 8 or more PE classes with at least an A- and have a 3.5 GPA or higher, you have earned a PE Department Cord of Distinction. Tell a PE teacher about your achievement so that you are properly recognized for it at graduation. Seniors, as we get closer to our graduation, we are still moving forward with the idea of a one large group ceremony. We are considering 2 venue options that should be able to accommodate this. Therefore, if you would like to perform, whether it's singing, dancing, reading, performing, or playing an instrument, check your grade level classroom for the form and return it to Ms. Caston or Mr. Lyon no later than April 14th. If you are an underclassman and are planning to run for class office next year, your intent to run form is due today. Email a picture or scan the completed second page to Ms. Hanks. Check your grade level classroom for more information. Now we have Shane with sports results.
Hey, what's up, SK? I'm Shane, and here for sports results. Sadly, JV and varsity both lost against Bellarmine, JV with 1-4 and varsity with 0-5. A very physical match against a quality opponent. Despite conceding 3 goals in the first half, of the team played a very even second half before allowing 2 goals in the final 8 minutes, down to no substitutions after a couple of minor injuries. Standout performances by junior GK Logan Kelly, junior central defender Dylan Huff, and senior fullback Sam Day. Junior Bryce Smith started in the midfield and provided the team with a strong tackling defensively and possession in the attack. Junior Matt Fears and senior Ellie Martin had solid performances, playing out of their normal possessions to help in defense due to a backline that was a little banged up. A tough loss for the team, but a solid team effort with an improved level of possession and much of the second half being played in Bellarmine's end. We will continue to work on team tactics and prepare for some upcoming games that are sure to be better matchups for the team. Now, back to you in the studio.
Thanks, Shane. In other school news, bus pass notes need to be turned in at the main office first thing in the morning. Don't miss your ride by turning them in last minute. Now we have Connor with some news on our Inter-High Spirit Week.
Hey SK, I'm Connor McKinley, and it's the last day of the Inter-High Spirit Week. Submit a photo of yourself wearing school colors to the SKHS ASB's Instagram bio. The winning high school gets a shiny trophy and their spirit posted on each of their Instagram pages. Let's show our spirit, South.
Thanks, Connor. With 4th quarter starting on the 19th, we will continue operating on the current SK Flex schedule. Be sure to pick up your supplies and drop off the books you no longer need both Wednesday, April 14th and the 21st. The times for both dates will be from 7 a.m. to 11 a.m. and then will resume from noon to 6 p.m. Looks like Mark has some news from the book room.
Hi everybody, Mark Reply here again with, book room news. With 3rd quarter coming to an end, you should turn in books that you don't need for 4th quarter. This includes books that you might still have from 1st or, 2nd quarter. Make sure to turn in those books soon so you don't get fines later. And also, so you don't miss the school's bad side. Like that.
Whoa, I hope Mark's okay. If you don't want to end up like him, get those books turned in ASAP. Well, it looks like that's all for today. Enjoy your spring break and have a great day, SK. Now on to schedule of events.